1981 Corvette. You know, at first glance you say, oh, it's a 1981 Vet, it's very clean, but this car is special. First of all, it's a 4-speed transmission, hard to find in 1981. Second of all, it's got 29,700 original miles. 29,700 miles on it. It's also original paint. The car is beautiful. It's all original, a true survivor, original interior. The leather is beautiful. Just a really, really nice car, fully documented. We have the original window sticker for this car. We have some NCRS paperwork for this car. This is a fully documented, all original 1981 4-speed and loaded up. It's got power windows, power locks, telly wheel, just everything you want. Everything works. Great car. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. All original 1981 4-speed. Beautiful car, price to sell. It will not last.